Hey everyone, friends, on Velo's channel. Today, I'll show you how to extract Intel RST files, yes, the cs-setup-rst.exe. To do this, open File Explorer and find where that file is located. I've got it in my downloads. Here it is, yep. And here, we type in kmdexe. Hit enter. As you can see, I started from this folder where the file is installed. Next, type setup-rst.exe extract drivers setup rst extra. Press enter. Intel Rapid Storage technology opens up immediately. Yes. Here it is, our file. Here are the production drivers and VMD. Here, then you transfer it to an ISO file. That's all. This was Vela with you. Bye everyone.